Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Guide TV. Today we're talking about how to get Microsoft Office for free. Let's explore all the legit ways to do it. Ready? Let's go. First up, we have Office Online. Did you know that Microsoft offers free online versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more, all in one place? That's pretty cool, right? Just visit office.com, sign in with your Microsoft account, or create one if you don't have it yet, and boom, you're ready to use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint right in your browser, completely free of charge. Next up, let's talk about free mobile apps. Got a smartphone? Congratulations, you've got free Office on the go. Head to your device's App Store, search for Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and download them. They're free with basic functionality, which is just enough to get your work done efficiently. Now, if you're a student or working professional, this one's for you. Many schools and workplaces provide free access to Office. Check with your school or employer. They might have a free Office subscription waiting for you. And then there's the free trial. Microsoft offers a free trial of Office 365, which includes all the Office apps. Go to the Office 365 free trial page, click on Try 1 month free, and follow the instructions. Just remember to cancel before the trial ends, or you'll be charged. This method is awesome until you forget to cancel and end up wasting $100. To be honest with you guys, it's not worth it. I could easily encourage you to do it and slip in an affiliate link to make money behind your back, but that's not me. I'm here to help. So, in my opinion, there are plenty of alternatives worth exploring. Let's explore some other options together. First, we have LibreOffice, an open source suite available on multiple platforms with alternatives to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, offering extensive file compatibility. Other great alternatives include Apache OpenOffice for basic tasks, Zoho Docs for cloud-based collaboration, WPS Office for a familiar interface, FreeOffice for seamless file sharing, Google Workspace for online use, and OnlyOffice for collaborative editing. These options provide robust functionality without the cost of Microsoft Office. Beside that, there's another legal way to get Office for free. For more details, check out my first comment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Simple Guide TV, and feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. See you guys in the next video.